M0FXB, welcome to my channel, and a big thank you to Daniel F1 Romeo Mike Bravo for this work that he's put in to create the color version of the OPENGD 77. As you know, OPENGD 77 is fantastic. It makes an ordinary radio like the RT3S into a fantastic radio. It even has satellite tracking and so much more. So let's install it on my device. I've already got OPENGD 77, as you can see. So what I'll do is, first thing, I'll just download their latest CPS here, which is just click that and you'll get a download. Double click here, install it, and you can download just this, basically the CPS programming software. Run that and you'll get this window, and I would file, I would read the radio. Where is it? Program read, or you can use these two little things, and it's read the radio, and I would save that file. Click OK. And then just go file, save, and save it somewhere, just so you've got your code plug save. There you are. Just going to overwrite that because we've already done it. Next thing you need now is the bin file with the color version. So you click here, just here, like so. It takes you here, and then this is the one I need because I've got the UV 380. I can see the 1701 is here as well. So I'm just gonna save this bin file, basically, where I can find it. Okay, now we need to get the radio into firmware mode, but we also need one of the older files, in my opinion, unless I'm wrong, but this is what I think we need. We need one of the older donor files that had the old 9600 firmware on there that I got from this place here. So I'll put a link in for this. Scroll down and you need the, where is it, the 9600, so we'll find it, TYT, scroll down, here it is, the one that says Passion. Click that and you'll get this file here, which is just downloaded. When you double click it, the one you actually want is the bin file for the 9600. So extract that somewhere so you know you can find it, extract it into a file so you know you've got that. So then we need to get the radio into firmware mode. To turn it off, and then just push the top two buttons, basically these two, and turn it on. Of course you need your cable connected. Now luckily for us that the driver actually installed as soon as I loaded the CPS, so it did it all for me. I didn't have to do anything for any cable drivers. So it's in firmware mode. So now we're going to go to radio type, just make sure on my radio it's 380. Then we'll go to extras. We've got firmware loader, and we'll leave this where it is, where it says MD9600, and we're going to click select donor file, and then we're going to go and find where we put that donor file. So mine's in the desktop here somewhere, and it should be in OPENGD 77 color, and there it is there, MD9600. So we're going to double click that and click OK, and it said it's worked. Then we're going to go to MD380, select open firmware, and we want to find the latest one, but this time we don't want any of these 9600 ones. We want the OPENGD UV 380 bin. Double click. Now the reason we saved our code plug is because it does delete everything. We'll get this firmware on there. I'm not sure if it will start up in color straight away, to be honest. It's come back on. We might have to change something for that. So we've loaded it now. It is still black and white. And then we'll move on to the next part about how we actually see the colors. M0FXB, this is the OPENGD 77 in color. It's a new update, and I've made a video showing you how to install it. You can literally customize everything on here. The frequencies, the background, the headings. It's not like a partial update. This is a full-on update. Even when you go into menus and you select different items, you know, different items can have a different color. I know I've used, you know, cheesy red at the moment. I'm just literally just getting to grips with this. Anyway, check it out. OPENGD 77. Remember, we've got a satellite tracker here. I haven't used it for a while. Go down one, satellite. You don't even need GPS for satellite. Not sure what it's doing right now, but I will play with it more. I just thought I'd show you that the OPENGD 77 is now color, and I'll customize it more, make another video. M3FXP YouTube channel, OPENGD70. Thank you very much to Daniel for this color update. Bye for now. This is the RT3S or the UV390. It's the dual band radio. 7.3. Once you've completed that, read from the radio. Okay, go read. And then you'll get this new menu called Theme Editor. And when you first see it, it will look black and white. It'll all be black and white. And when you click on them, you click on each thing, you can change color just by using the spectrum, all these little squares. It's very, very customizable. Look at all the things that you can customize. There's loads, literally. Look at that. Satellite spot, blue, click OK. VFO TX frequency, let's just do, I don't know, green, click OK. So you can really make this look very smart. So it's a really good job. And then click OK. And then write to the radio. I think we had the option to write to the radio actually within that, didn't we? Let's go back to it, theme, and then we'll go write to radio. And it's writing to the radio, and you can see it, and you kill the firmware stays on. But look, we've now got, if you look, yellow and black and red background. There is a way of doing it on the actual radio as well. I'm going to try and tag that on the end of this video. But if we look at the instructions, the color theme can be configured in firmware options. Theme options screen or in the CPS via the extras theme, which is what we just did. To adjust color, yeah, we just did that. In the CPS, click on the color patches. And then it says the theme will be uploaded to the radio. The theme can also be read from the radio on the theme editor screen and will be read as part of the normal code data. So yeah, we just, everything we're reading there, it says it does. Voice prompts do not work with this version, so we need to wait for the update on that. LCD display in these radios is not full, and things like that. But basically, we have got color. So there you are. Thanks for watching my channel. Give it a go. 7.3, all the best. And I'll tag on at the end of this video, just me using it in color. Bye for now.